classic looks, modern muscle. The XT22 T brings timeless style and proven performance together in one bold package. Behind the boat, Surfstar delivers clean, customizable waves for every rider. Hit a rapid surf preset and go, or dial in your own perfect setup with full control over speed, ballast, and surf device position. Add fast fill and you're riding in minutes. The helm keeps things clean. A 12-inch touchscreen pairs with MasterCraft MyDrive for quick, intuitive control. The dash opens up your sightlines, the premium captain's chair locks in comfort, and the available stern thruster puts 360-degree control at your fingertips. Step back and the XT22 T keeps delivering. A roomy U-shaped layout, hinged under-seat storage, a built-in cooler, and a convertible flip seat make space work smarter, while optional transom backrest and the flip-down swim step level up the transom. Up front, the traditional bow pulls double duty, delivering classic style and modern functionality with an open walkway, optional filler cushion, and plenty of room to spread out or stash gear. And with Cool Feel Vinyl, you can go bold on color without giving up comfort. Then there's Soundstage, our all-new multi-zone audio experience custom-built for each model. Rich, directional sound tuned for every seat. Crisp, clear, zero distortion. It's the new gold standard for on-water audio. As for the tower, you've got options, Z6 or Z8. Both come with clamping board racks, powder-coated colors, and up to 4 tower speakers. Powering it all is the Ilmor 5.3-liter GDI high-output engine, delivering 380 horsepower, more torque, better fuel efficiency, and race-inspired reliability. The XT22 T hits the sweet spot: style, comfort, and performance in one timeless package. Looking for a deeper dive into all the XT family has to offer? Head to our site to watch the full walkthrough video.